back to the kitchen. Today, we're going to be cooking up something special for you. But I have someone special to meet. Matt!
Oh, you're over there. Hey guys.
Don't forget, Legerman Jones. And last but not least, Zach!
Today, we are making our chewy fudge brownies in
the pee-pee pan.
So the first step to making our chewy fudge Dunkenheim brownies, we need to preheat our beautiful oven in the back to 350 degrees. But since we are using the metal pan, or as I should say, cock pan, we need to grease it with Pam. Pam!
First step, grease the cock and balls. Gotta make sure you get really deep inside of them. Make sure they're well lathered. You don't want your balls to be really dry. Make sure it's well evenly coated. Really get into the head. And that's step one.
So for step 2 to make our chewy fudge brownies, we're of course gonna need our brownie mix. Alright, so we got that. We're gonna need 2 eggs because instead of having 3 for like a cake-like brownie, we're gonna want them super fudgy. So we're only using 2 eggs. After that, we got our ½ cup measuring cup and our vegetable oil. And then we got the ¼ cup for some nice water. And then, of course, our whisk to mix it. That reminds me, we need a bowl. Ellie!
Step, we are putting this chewy brownie mix into the...
Tango down.
Next step is to put the chewy fudge brownie mix into the bowl. Time for some Ellie pouring. Oh yeah, let's take it. Be back, homies. Gotta take a fat fucking log.
Next, we pour the Crisco. ½ cup. Can't overpour this. Don't want our cock to be cold. Beautiful. Next step.
Ellie! Oh my god, Ellie! Ellie!
Next, we have to pour a ¼ cup of water and put it in our brownie mix. Cannot spill. Perfect to the brim.
It's time for the eggs. Don't want no shell. Oh, no shell. It's beautiful. Next one.
Magnifico! Step is the whisk. I love this step. It gets me all fucking saucy and shit. God, it turns me on. Look at all that brown fluid mixing together. It makes me so fucking wet. Oh, Jesus Christ. I don't know if I can handle this. I don't know if I can handle all this whisking. Jesus. It's almost all brown now. Make sure to get every other piece of brown, all the light browns out. Only dark browns in this place. That's so beautiful. Look at that shit. I could just eat that shit off my fucking dead grandma's ass. With the privilege to lick the whisk. Do you take or nah? Take it, my young son. Lick the whisk like you haven't licked anything before. That's the shit. So good, Master Justin. Oh my god, take another bite. Your breath smells like Doritos. Please.
Woo! We've made it to the final step, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to put our chocolatey, dark deliciousness into this pan, our limited edition pan of cock and balls. And take a little scoop. Make sure you don't drip everywhere. Don't want to leave any evidence behind. And make sure you do just a little dabble, just a little dabble. Just, yeah, there you go. Yeah, just like that. And we do get a big dollop. Wipe it off the bottom and lay it right down the shaft. We put down the paper towels just for this, to make sure we didn't get this everywhere. Make sure you get the tip well filled. And make sure we repeat the process for all 6 cocks.
6.5 hours later.
Oh shit! Dude, our cocks are brimming. We gotta make sure that doesn't happen. We gotta ease the cock. Be very careful with it. Make sure it's well clean. Gotta take care of your cock, ladies and gentlemen. You can't let it be dirty. Make sure you edge it. Edge the cock. Edge the cock. Don't let it come out. Yeah, just like this. Oh, got a big drip right here. Can't have that happen. Get a little bit more. Yeah. And our cocks are clean. Oh wait, just a little bit smooth right here. There we go. And would you look at that? Our cocks are all well laid out and even. Time to put them in the oven.
Master, let me open it for you.
In the oven.
I'm sorry.
And now our cocks are gonna be nice and hot.
Oh, would you look at that? The cocks are done. Let's try them out. Justin, come get your cock.
I'm so hungry for my cock. I haven't eaten in days.
Try a cock.
Holy fuck. It's so good.
Now go enjoy it out in the living room.
Just makes my
It's a
cock.
good, satisfied customer right there. Hey, yo, Matt, come get your cock.
Oh shit.
Motherfucker!
I dropped a piece of my cock.
And last but not least, hey, yo, Zach, come get your black, juicy, crunchy cock.
Oh, that's some good penis right there.
Alright, now it's my turn.
The balls are very, very warm.
And everything, this was a success. And you too can do it at home.
This cock is so fucking good.